Hey guys, we're here in American Village and we're gonna try something that a lot of people have recommended to us that we've still have yet to try before. So this is gonna be the first impressions of Bollywood Jewel. Yeah, here we are. We're the only ones in the restaurant too, so that's kind of nice. See what they have, first impressions here. Zoom out so you guys can see the menu. Burgers, so here we go. Indian curries. They're actually kind of a lot, just as much as California.
Well, this is a touristy place.
Yeah. All right, I think I'm gonna go with the, what do you think of vegan butter chicken and vegan naan? Or no, I'm sorry, pumpkin vegan curry. I don't need vegan, but I want pumpkin curry, sounds good. Here it is, they just brought it. So this is a pumpkin butter naan. And what did you get?
I got the butter chicken.
Butter chicken. We got the big butter naan, which looks really good. So I will say, for Okinawa, this is like really expensive. Like it's equivalent to California. Because this bowl was the pumpkin naan, and it was like 1,200 yen almost. I think it was like 1,100 or 12. So this is 11 or 12 bucks by itself. And then this naan was like $6.
That's
okay,
good.
let's taste this.
That's good.
Ooh, spicy. They go to 50?
How spicy? What did you order?
5.
Is it really spicy?
Yeah, so they asked me the spice level. My phone is not staying here. They asked me the spice level and they said 1 through 10, so I got 5. But on the menu, it says we can also do 10 to 50. So they go up to 50. So I got 5. It's pretty decent spice. I'm pretty impressed, actually.
Oh,
They're very good.
and it goes up to 50.
Kits is amazing. You got the butter chicken?
Yeah, I always get the butter chicken.
I almost got the butter chicken.
Should have gotten the butter chicken.
Holy crap, that is good.
You guys take some more water?
That's mine.
Everything's good here so far?
Very
Yeah,
good.
it's very good. I will admit, although pricey for Okinawa, I'd actually call it worth it. Honestly, like, the service here has been absolutely amazing, and the food is amazing, and I would recommend the butter chicken. I would recommend this pumpkin thing too, honestly, but the butter chicken is like, it's really good.
So I always determine whether an Indian place is good based off their butter chicken. And their butter chicken is phenomenal.
It's really good.
It's so good.
I was thinking about it for a little bit. The butter chicken here,
It's stupid good.
I think it's the best I've ever had. It is really good. Sometimes, guys, you guys recommend places like this, which we've gotten recommended multiple times. And sometimes we try those places, and no offense to you guys, but some of you don't know what good food is. This place is very good, and I highly recommend
what?
it. It's worth the price.
So
for
I
sure.
was very hesitant on trying Bollywood Jewel because it's pricey and it's in a tourist area.
It's in American Village, yeah.
And American
There's-
Village has good food, but there's better food in other places for less. They said they're really slow because of Corona, and they have outdoor seating. So if you guys want really good Indian food, come over here. It's so good. They also have a lunch menu that's cheaper.
Kid just ordered some of these cheese bombs. Take the first bite.
It was not what I expected. I was expecting like mozzarella cheese,
Uh-huh.
but it's like a very like flavorful herby cheese.
Uh-huh.
It's really good.
Better than what you expected, or
Yeah,
worse?
I mean, I think it's really good.
I moved to the other side of the table because I liked Kit's view better.
You didn't like a view of me?
No. Exactly. You can see out the windows and stuff nicely. But these music videos are super entertaining.
They're entertaining, they're super good dancers, and they're freaking like, their cinematography is just like, I'm just like so impressed. Look at their dancing, it's so fucking amazing. So,
He just brought us ice creams. And he said, thank you for video recording.
I feel like a YouTuber now.
We're getting, that's our first pro bono thing to be the YouTuber.
Well,
Awesome.
I also really thank them for the butter chicken. I actually told him compliments to the chef because he speaks English. I was like, this butter chicken is bomb. Like, please tell my compliments to the chef because this thing is like freaking amazing. And like the other guy came up and asked us if we were YouTubers, and I was like, yeah. And we started talking, and then he brought us ice cream.
So, final verdict of Bollywood Jewel.
It was really good.
Yeah, they are a little bit pricey for Okinawa, but I'll say it's worth it for sure. The butter chicken is amazing. It's the best butter chicken I've had. The service was absolutely incredible. It was really cool to like just banter back and forth
Yeah,
with
really fun.
them,
They were really sweet.
because we just like never get to do that in Japan, you know. Everyone's so professional. And they gave us free ice cream for being YouTubers. So that's like the first time ever we've gotten that.
Yeah, normally we get kicked out of places.
Pro bono thing. So anyway, guys, I do highly recommend it. It was absolutely amazing.
It was
So
really good.
all right, thank you so much for watching. Check this place out. See you in the next video.